Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, the Topper Chef channel. Today we are going to make an Indian yogurt sauce. Okay, so before I talk a little bit about this sauce, let me tell you that we had posted a recipe of paneer shashlik, and what happened was there was a leftover marinade, and the paneer shashlik looked so dry. So what I decided was to create a sauce for it, and it became such a hit. So this is a very original sauce which I've not got from anywhere, and I actually like this sauce because it's an original from me. So this is what you'll need for this Indian yogurt sauce. This is really very tasty and very easy, and of course very healthy because of the yogurt. So you'll need a lot of curry leaves. Now curry leaves is what gives the flavor to this sauce. Then some cilantro. Of course cilantro is for garnish, but for tempering we need cumin seeds, then mustard seeds, and just these two spices I use is chili powder and coriander powder. Now you can also put what is called hing or Asafetida powder, because what happens is it breaks down the yogurt well, and also is good for digestion. Okay guys, so for this we're gonna need a lot of oil because we need to temper with it. So to this, my pan is really hot now. Watch out, it's gonna splatter. So you can take a bigger, you don't want to mess up your kitchen. There you go. Here's your mustard seeds. Look at them, how fast. The cumin seeds. To this I'm gonna add okay, so this is it, toasted really fast and well. This is what is gonna give the flavor. You can always smell cumin seed in the, cumin and the seeds and the curry patta. It really goes very well with this. To this, you're gonna add your spices and let this cook a little bit. There you go. Wow, look at that smell. Okay, so now you gotta be really careful. The sauce is now nice. You gotta keep it low, right? The reason for this is when you're putting that yogurt, you don't want it to break. Now to this, I'm gonna add a pinch of Asafetida, which is hing. What it does, it brings out the flavor of all these dry spices. Okay, so now this is nice and cooked. Look at the smoke coming out of it. Keep it low and slowly add in the yogurt to that. And this is what our sauce is all about now. Okay, so you gotta keep on stirring this because we don't want this yogurt to break. Okay, so here we go. It's nice room temperature yogurt. And otherwise you're gonna break this real fast. Look at this. Keep this at real low and keep on stirring this beautiful yogurt sauce on low heat till it thickens up a little bit. Now for this yogurt, I had put the water in it and got it beaten it very well. Okay, so now I'm gonna add a little salt. Gotta keep on creaming it up so it doesn't, the heat does not break this thing real fast, okay? Otherwise, yogurt usually has the tendency to break. Wow, it smells heavenly. Now you gotta thicken this up on very slow heat. So what I'm gonna do is let it cook by itself for about 5 minutes till it thickens up a bit. Okay, so now we got it simmered for about 5 minutes and you can see it has reduced and nice. This sauce is what we're going to use to coat. Now if you want it a little thicker, you can add more yogurt in it if you want. Okay, so now we're going to cook this. I'm going to pour this sauce on my chicken, my vegetable kebabs which we're going to make. So I'm going to add some salt to it. That's what was missing, enough salt for it to give it nice taste. And that's it. This is a yogurt sauce. This is how easy it is to make. But always be careful that you don't break it, because it has to be at that temperature down. And so, and the yogurt should also have not a lot of water in it. Okay, so this is the important tip for making this fantastic yogurt sauce. Voila, this is my presentation of the yogurt sauce. Try this recipe and you will enjoy it. If you like this recipe, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel, the Topper Chef channel. Happy cooking!